Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today we're here with Valley. Father Dippo with a song called Dweet. Valiant, Dweet. I jump in the one and you're with the GSA. You know, say Valiant a bad bumbo clot artist. Valiant is consistent, so let's jump in the one and we expect nothing but banger. That video look like they're firing. America this. Yo. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. But this one is very important. Please do remember, sir, we are still in November. Even though my birthday gone, we're still in November, and I'm running the promotional deal to get your songs on the platform, whether music video or audio, to get it on the platform. Link me up on DM, on Instagram. Instagram is right over my head, Jamaica_worst_gamer. Link me up for your prices, and we can talk business only if you're serious. Alright? Let's get back to the video. America, this one, let's go.
Game change every day, just get the paper.
Young General Records, YGR, big up, Diplomat Records, up, do it.
Man, the
King Camp.
on the line where I do it. Believe. YGR, your mobile. I could have take the bank search, yes. When we pull up, me down in my play.
Valiant have a method where him sing the song them on him TikTok before him release the actual song them, bro. And it'll work. It'll work, you fuck. It'll work. Me like it. You can always see him put that one up on him TikTok and people gravitate to it straight away.
Take the bank search, yes. When we pull up, me down in my place. I have to give respect to the game and put respect on me.
I have to give respect to the game and put respect on him name, cause him been a do it. Him do it. You see me? By himself, without no big label. Him do it by himself. Father, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Remember said this, so majority of us know him from, but he's been doing it long before that. So he must say I have to put respect on my name. Because he must put respect on the game. Know that?
Take the bank search, yes. When we pull up, me down in my place. I have to give respect to the game and put respect on me. We are the first youth to do it finally. Tell the poverty was zero again.
You're the first youth to do it on the lane. So you know so which part him come from. Proud of him. Because I'm the first youth to do it. So even the little young youth them around him, I look up and I say, yo, if him do it, we can do it, you know. Because remember, say, as somebody where watch us grow as little youth and him a bigger man for it. This how the younger youth them I say. You see me? And the youth in a female age group or even older say, yo, if that G they do it, we can do it. You see me? So, the boss I do it, have to put respect on the name for real.
The bank search, yes. When we pull up, me down in my place. I have to give respect to the game and put respect on me. We are the first youth to do it finally. Tell the poverty was zero again. But you be mad, I got you from another place.
The man say, yo, tell the poverty say we zero the game. Tell the poverty say, yo, we now go back there, so. No matter how high we drop from, we can't break again. Poverty, go one side, move. Go suck him at that.
Tell the poverty was zero again. But you be mad, I got you from another place. And the kids, them a smile, them a man. Thank God, send me humble millions and make you with hands from the ground. But do this for my sons.
Yo, me humble. Millions I make it hard for me complain, it hard for me grumble. Millions I make, bro. So, it would be very ungrateful of him to complain about anything in life right now because he's in a much better position than what he was. Why for the position? He's in a much better place than where he was 5 years ago, 3 years ago. You see me? Yeah.
God, send me humble millions and make you with hands from the ground. But do this for my son, so it's hard for my stumble.
He might do it for his son, so it's hard for him stumble. So he might tell us, say, yo, right now, once I'm son, he might do it for him always. I gotta stay focused and stay up on cue. So he might go always be that person where always I go get it for him kids, for him son.
Hands from the ground, but do this for my son, so it's hard for my stumble. No time. Oh, where we going? No, my dad.
Let me just point out something.
Make you with hands from the ground, but do this for my.
You see how the GS are carrying back them? Enough artists now do that. Enough artists have somebody to carry them back. So the boss will show you how humble him is. But I say, yo, I'm humble, bro. Not because I'm valiant means that me I go switch up and no. So, me I push up my own bag. Simple things like that show you how our artists comfortable and just humble with him newfound fame and wealth, bro. The boss just comfortable.
Thank God, so me humble millions and make you hard for my grumble. Do this for my son, so it's hard for my stumble. No time. Oh, where we got no, my dogs on the mall and I shop all boat.
Them I say, yo, him dogs, them daddy mall and them a shop. Brother, and him alone a shop, bro. And him alone a going to Louis V and Rolex them, bro. And him alone a do all of that shit. No, him and him dogs them, bro.
God no, my dogs on the mall and I shop all boat. Faragamo.
Faragamo, yes sir.
And me I wanna drive out too much money there, same time we bless the 5-0.
And we alone a drive out too much money there, same time we bless the 5-0. So he must say if him see the piece of his them, obviously them pan the road, him give them a thing.
And me I wanna drive out too much money there, same time we bless the 5-0. The market sit shit like all the 9 song. Moji, we have a skull up on a big charge, vanilla gift card, do this from Flipkart, so me get rich dog. Rich. Peace.
Boss I tell you piece of the method, how him do it. You want to do it from Flipkart, so him get rich dog.
Moji, we have a skull up on a big charge, vanilla gift card, do this from Flipkart, so me get rich dog. Rich. PCH that make mommy house bigger. Louis. I could have take the bank side chairs. When I pull up me down in my place, I have give respect to the game and put respect on me. Force you to do it finally. Tell poverty was zero at the game, but you bring my got you from another place. And the kids know my.
Look at the boss. Look how humble he is. Look how humble he is. Look what the boss am a consume. Look what the boss am a chef up. Eh? Alright. If you know it.
But you bring my got you from another place. And the kids know my smile and my man. We are make billions and billions and millions of vex. House and the acres of that I said.
My favorite part of the song right here, so. Right here.
She from another place. And the kids know my smile and my man. We are make billions and billions and millions of vex.
We are make whole heap of people of vex because they never want to see with the writer, so we are make whole heap millions and millions and millions of vex. But you're the next part.
Smile and my man. We are make billions and billions and millions of vex. House and the acres of that I said.
All is telling that, brother. House and the acres, house and land, that is assets. Buying a car is not an asset unless it is a listed classic car, bro. And it's not every classic car an asset neither. You see me? So buying a Markex and buying a Beamer and buying a Benz, yes, it's all good, it's all nice, but it's not an asset. I've been there, I've done that. Honestly, I've been there, I've done that. It's not an asset. Me have car park up a deep valley I go down every day. I have to end up sell back that. You see me? Yeah, house and land the thing there, bro. House and land the thing there. Your money always a go up, so me can talk. I been there, bro. Me been there. You see me? Yeah, right now a house and land man there, you know? Yeah, dog, big man.
Billions and billions and millions of vex. House and the acres of that I said. Used to bunk straight, no more one jet. Writing these checks, no more gone corporate.
Oh, used to bunk jet now. Used to bunk check now. Have my own jet. The enemy say.
Bunk straight, no more one jet. Writing these checks, no more gone corporate.
Writing these checks, now me gone corporate. Remember say the boss sign. Remember say the boss corporate now.
Used to bunk straight, no more one jet. Writing these checks, now me gone corporate. You know the vibes right. And it's the way life's nice. Get rich over the crime line.
Yo, you're in vice. You're on natural. You're on natural invice on it.
Writing these checks, no more gone corporate. You know the vibes right. And it's the way life's nice. Get rich over the crime line. For the doing of the sky high. DD band search, yes. When I pull up me down in my place, I have to give respect to the game and put respect on me. We are Tell poverty was zero again. But you bring my that you from another place. And the kids know me smile. Biggie, what we got now? Fire got more. Pull up my head and I'm place. Zero again. You step out, this coming get better. You gone there. Hey, too much.
Too much. Oh, yeah, give it too much information, Valley.
You step out, this coming get better. You gone there. Hey, too much.
Too much. Yeah.
How could I tell you when that you
Raku.
Oh, remember now, man. Self-belief, one of the best belief. You want that, bro.
If I'm a king cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Can big up your bumbo clad self, King Cam. Yo, as expected, banger. As expected, a banger from Valley. Anytime you see Valley put nothing on the TikTok, just know see a singer forward, bro. Just know see a singer forward. Valiant is a very, very, very consistent artist. Probably the most consistent artist for the year. No joke. Where every song when drop a banger, bro. To me so far, me not hear Valley drop a fuckery song. Me not hear Valley drop a song where me can't listen to. You see me? So big up the G if you out here do it. And overseas that do it same way. Yeah, big up yourself, my fam. Big up the fans them want to support your music. Big up the team run you, bro. You gone corporate now, as what you say. We know that. Big up yourself. And I like the fact that corporate still give you creators rights for do certain for sing a certain type of music same way, because you still do it. You see me? But yeah. Big up on the safety. This time I'm gonna leave. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.